Yeah, I looked that shit up, and it says they have qualified immunity for judicial function. So how do you qualify for it? Okay, I'm not a moron. I think you just have to do the right shit and follow the Constitution and law. I don't know. Okay, so you can add theirs for. So we added the judge's property to the lawsuit, and we added the LLC, and then we sued the judge. Well, oh yeah, the attorney general came down. We whacked the attorney general's ass with the demand to strike because none of the asses had foreign agent registration qualification. And so they had to sit down. Then they brought in 2 more attorneys from Missouri. I was in Kansas. And these attorneys from Missouri came in. They said we didn't serve them, the corporation. So we didn't properly, whatever. And they put the judge's name up here. And then Best LLC, whatever, Bestco LLC. Well, they didn't put Bestco LLC. They put the judge's name because they were trying to make a point. So we struck their shit too. And we let them know that we're not attorneys. We don't have shit to do with that fake shit that they do. I'm not a corporation. A corporation don't have arms or legs and can't sign a damn thing for anybody. And that's why we had the judge's name to that shit. And we had the attorney, whatever. Okay, now here's the thing. Here's what I told them. You idiots put the judge's name on there, on this document that you filed against me, and I got the judge's name on mine. Okay, so the judge's property shows that there's 39 residents. So I went and looked. It looks like law offices to me. And it doesn't look like there's 39 different offices. Now, I didn't go. I had my YouTube shirt on. I was filming, and I'm not the right color to fit in over there. And they probably kind of know me. I think all the attorneys over there up in the city, under Lawrence, or whatever. So, So I didn't go double check, but I went back and got on the internet and pulled it up in the county clerk's office. And yeah, it says there's 39 residents. But I just left the damn place, and it looks like they're commercial businesses, law offices. So I don't understand how it could be listed on the internet as residences when it's, and if there's some value, some illegal value. Now, let me drink my tea. If there's some illegal value that the judge is receiving from having her property listed as residential instead of commercial. I don't know. I'm just asking. Okay, but here's the thing. Look that shit up. And then add the judge's property on there. Add the judge's assets to the shit. Add the prosecutor's property. Prosecutor's the one that you want to make, pay for what you've been dealing with. Add her ass right on there. I'm a freak, and we don't play. We don't play. Add her ass on there, the $50 million or whatever. So what happens when you add a bar member to their own shit? I don't know. Everybody act like this is complicated. What happens when you add a bar member to some badass shit? Or all of them. And the state. And the Supreme Court. And the Association and Registration of Deeds Office. Or the land bank. There's a land bank that sells your shit. Oh, what happens when you add their asses? Oh, wait.